Hello beautiful angels, how are you guys doing? Hopefully you're having a beautiful and amazing day. Today we're going to do the unboxing of this beauty. Oops, I don't want to show my hairdress. So today we're going to do the unboxing of this beauty, and this is Stitch Fix. Finally my fix has arrived for a month of this is what I think May. We're going to do the unboxing and try on and all of that good stuff. And Stitch Fix, like, it's a clothing subscription box, not like a monthly subscription box, but it's like a whenever you want it you get it. So a little bit about this: get clothing hand selected by our expert stylist, that's what it says, and instantly buy items curated just for your style. And it usually comes with a prepaid label that you could return, like all the items that you don't like, which is amazing, and it's like free. And try on pieces at home, buy favorites, and send back the rest. And there is a styling fee of $20, and you could use that fee against your as a credit for the items that you are planning to buy. And free shipping and returns and exchanges. And this has like personalized styles, fits, and prices. Usually there is like a styling board that you could actually fill your profile, and you could like pin all the items that you are actually looking for in that particular month or subscription box. Let's see what are the items that we got, and would be trying them on as well. So the first item that I got, let's see, this looks like shoes. Oh wow, I got this wedges. So let's say, like, this is like 3.5 inches to 4 inches of wedges. Usually I wear like no more than 3 is my max height that I would prefer, but this looks like a really interesting, like that kind of material like that comes for the wine bottles. And this has got like gray kind of, and this is how it looks, really interesting. So this is how it looks, cute. Report footwear, and this one is Elmer Sport bottom wedges and light gray, and this one retails for $65. Next up I have this beauty. Wow, this looks really good, and this is going to be really good for this summer, like whenever, like in the evening or somewhere when it gets a little colder, it's going to be really amazing. So this is how it looks, and I don't have anything like jeans in this color. This is amazing. And let's see about this one. And this one is from the brand, let me see, okay, it's from Market and Splurs, retails for $78. So this is how it looks. And this one is Camilla Boyfriend full stretch denim jacket, and this is how it looks. The next up I have this beauty. Wow, that's a really nice print. Oh, is this a skirt or a top? I don't know. Okay, okay, it's the skirt with a side slit. Okay, so this is how it is. So here is the slit, so here is the slit, and here is the skirt that we got. I really love the print of this one and also the color. Okay, and that one is a midi skirt and retails for $58. And next we also have the Market and Splur's corset French top in beige, and this one retails for $58. And this is what I'm wearing right now. I really liked it, so I just put this one on for this video. So this is how it looks. I really love this stuff, and it's really comfortable. I really loved it. Okay, and next up we have this. I thought of keeping this one. I haven't tried this one yet, but I just like the color of it and the print. It's like this tiny florally print that actually looks like blueberries. So this is how it looks, and this has got like this front button details going on. I love this one so much. I just hope this works for me. And this one is from Mansion and Bill. It's a Lila button detail dress in red, and this one retails for $48. So these are all the items that I received. Here is how it looks. So this is the top that I already put it on, and I really love it. And this is like the right length, and this is how it looks like. This is the kind of details that we have on this shirt. So it's kind of like see-through on sleeves but not the top, and it's kind of really comfy at the waist part. It's not like very snitched, it's kind of loose, so I really love that part. Next up we have this kind of skirt, florally skirt, and this is kind of right length, and I kind of love it. And this goes really good with my top that I actually received. So I'm going to try on the denim jacket like I got with this one. I just want to see like how this one looks. Bless you. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks. It's like a really like that color coordination. I really love that aspect of this one, like this black and this beige color top with this yellow denim. I love it so much. Okay, now let's see about the, I think there is one more top that we actually received. That is this one, so I'm going to try this one on. And this is the top that I received, and I really love this one, like how flowy this is and how comfortable it is. It's not like tight, and it's not even showing my belly. It did conceal my belly, and the sleeves and the color of it, everything is amazing. It's just that I might need to stitch this one a bit, but other than that I love this one, and this is a keeper for me. Even this one is a keeper, maybe not the wedges, and I really love the beige top as well, and also the skirt. Well, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Hopefully you had fun. Love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe.